Show them na. Show them what you've got there. What is it?
This is biscuit.
This is biscuit. Cute niyo mo, anak ko eh. Okay, talk.
Hello.
So, my name is... Tell them your name.
It's with Nicole Candy.
Hold it properly there. Is Paris Nicole Mackenzie your name?
Yes.
Talk to them. Right, let's cook kamote na. Sabi, kamote.
Kumini.
Ay, gumini. Ka?
Ka.
Mo?
Ki.
Mo?
Mu.
Ti.
Ti.
Kamote.
Committee.
What is it now?
Too hot today, Mommy.
It's so hot today. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Monday everyone. Yes, it's Monday pero wala akong work today guys kasi nga 'di ba, Christmas holiday na natin. It's currently 11:40 ng umaga guys at as you can see nandito kami sa sasakyan. Kakauwi lang pala namin from our appointment for Paris's 2-year check with the maternal and child nurse. So I know Paris is now 2 years and 9 months guys. However, dahil sa ang tawag dito, dahil sa lockdown, dahil sa pandemic and everything, so na-delay yung visit namin sa maternal and child nurse. Kaya yun. And yeah, everything is well with Paris's height and weight. She's looking healthy. The only issue lang talaga guys na pinag-usapan namin doon is Paris's anong tawag dito, yung pagkain ni Paris guys, kasi lahat naman siguro kayo alam na Paris is very fussy when it comes to food, and it's because she still prefers the breast milk over the food. So yun na nga yung sabi sa akin ng nurse guys na maybe I know breastfeeding is really good for the child, but that also opens up to this iron deficiency thing, you know what I mean? Kasi yung breast milk hindi daw nag-produce o nagbibigay ng iron. So, yun, kaya sabi niya na it's still best if Paris, you know, eats more food than breast milk. And I already started it, guys. Like, it's been, I don't know, a week now, or just less than a week, I'd say, na binibigay ko kay Paris yung breast milk kapag she's going to sleep. Pero sa umaga, guys, I put something on it para ayaw niyang i-take yung breast milk niya kasi obviously meron akong nilagay na hindi masarap. Ganun. And yes, so now we just dropped Daddy Mike, guys, because Daddy Mike is still working. But Paris and I, we're going to Springvale Market now. And napag-isipan ko guys, straight away napag-isipan ko na mag-grocery ng fruit and vegetables and meat and everything. Kasi yun ang nga sabi ng nurse guys na it's best to offer Paris like wide range of food. So hindi lang yung gusto niyang kainin. Yeah, kahit yung mga pagkain ayaw niyang kainin guys, it's good na you keep introducing it to her. So yeah, that's why since wala naman kaming gagawin ni Paris at si Paris walang childcare, kaya yun yung napag-isipan ko na pupunta kami ng Springvale Market kasi that's the best place to do all your shopping for food and vegetables. We're going!
And the shop!
The shop! Ayan, pero sabi ng nurse guys, like seriously, Paris is growing very beautiful, you know what I mean? Like, she's going to be really petite, and it's not a surprise because I'm not tall. Daddy Mike is not that tall. So of course, like I'll be surprised if Paris will be 6 foot, you know. and but yeah, I know she's going to be petite, guys. But you know, as long as she's healthy, happy. Yes. Did you see the nurse, Nak?
Yes.
What did the nurse say?
Check Paris.
Check Paris, yeah. She did check Paris. Check your weight and your height. Did you say thank you to her?
Yes.
Yes. And she said, Paris, you have to eat more food, yes? That's what she said, yeah? And are we eating more food? Are we eating more food? Paris, say yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. Alright, guys, we'll see you soon. Hi guys, so it's now 2:07 ng hapon and kakauwi lang namin from Springvale Asian Market. And napakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga napamili ko guys. Oh my god, sobrang na-excite ako nung pumunta ako doon guys. Kasi yung first talaga na nakita ko guys is ito. Like, you got no idea kung gaano ko ito kamahal itong prutas na ito guys. Rambutan. Ayan. Pero alam nyo, sobrang mahal nito. Like, it was $24.99. So, basically, $25 for a kilo, guys. And, yung binili ko, hindi siya nag-kilo, but it was $17. So, marapit na rin siya nag-1 kilo. Pero, guys, tingnan nyo ang laman ng plastic, guys. So, wala na. Kinain ko na habang nagda-drive ako kasi, alam nyo, guys, yun bang sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakakain. Meron pa palang naiwan nito. At para talaga akong bata sa candy shop ba. Parang nag-heart-heart talaga ang aking mata nung nakita ko to guys. Ayan. So wala lang naiwan. And then, what else? So I bought some grapes. Ayan. Kasi nung nakita to ni Paris, sabi niya, I want grapes, mommy. Ayan. And then, oh, is another one na sobrang na-excite ako, guys. So, this is the Japanese sweet potato. So, sobrang liit nila. But, I think, sobrang tamis nito. Yung ba sa Pilipinas, guys, na pula, na kamote, ito siya. So, binili ko, and hopefully, Paris will like it. It's potato na. Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Oh, sweet potato. Have a look. Have a look. Have a look your sweet potato. And then, yes. We've got this mango, guys. Sobrang laki ng mangga na to. This mango, hindi siya sour, guys. Hindi siya maasim. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Nakalimutan ko na guys, wala na kasi yung resibo dito. Ewan ko saan ko nalagay. Pero sobrang mahal nila guys. You won't believe it. This one, isang guava. Bayabas na ito guys. You won't believe it. I paid $11 for this, Daddy. $11.
Really?
Yeah, because I just went and it's like at the counter. And then she scanned it. It's $11 guys.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's like freaking, what, 400 something. 400 for just this one. So yan yung mahirap dito sa Australia guys. Yung mga putas, ganyan. Kasi sobrang mahal. And then, bumili ako ng pumpkin guys. Kasi I'm planning to cook the crab tonight. Lagyan natin ng gata ng niyog. Tapos this one. Sobrang sarap niyan. I'm looking forward. And then, I bought some bones, pork bones guys. Yung pasta paa. Sarap nitong sabawin. And then, I've got pork chops. Pork chops. And then, may isa pa dito. This is, yung parang tuna. Ayan. Filipino tuna. Pinakatin ko kay kuya, guys, ng manipis. Kasi gusto ko siyang, gusto ko siyang pupunin. Hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo, guys, ha? Kasi ang lamsa, guys, eh. Tapos, pumunta ako ng grocery, guys. Ng Filipina grocery. Ayan, bumili ako ng sinigang, adobo, mix, magic sarap. And then, we've got this nata de coco. Ayan. So, for now, guys, alam niyo yung gagawin ko ngayon. Since it's 2 o'clock yung pang snacks natin, magluluto ako ng kamote. Yung sweet potato. And yeah, hopefully Paris will like it. And I'm just gonna put this in the freezer. I'm gonna put everything away, guys. Ay na, may nakalimutan kami, guys.
Hello.
Hello! Show them what you've got there. What is it?
This is biscuit.
This is biscuit. Kakit niyo mo, anak ko, eh. This is biscuit. Skyflakes, guys.
Mommy.
Sa umaga ba, pampalis sa kape.
Hey, Mommy.
Do you wanna open the biscuit?
Okay,
Do you wanna open it?
the Mommy.
Were you a good girl for mommy? The
Mommy.
shops? Were you a good girl for mommy? Shush. Thank you, princess. No, open it.
No.
You don't wanna open? We'll see what's inside. Ano sa ko open na?
My good cabinet. It's a toy.
Do you know how to open it?
No, Mommy.
Ay, here na ko. Pull on the side. There. Uy, naka-on pala ang ating Christmas tree. Was it on the whole time, Daddy? The Christmas tree?
I think so, yeah. I think so. Hello.
Open
Ang ating Daddy Mike ay nagtatrabaho, guys. Oh.
Turn the light on.
Did you do it?
Yes.
Ayush! Thank you very much, honey. I love the Christmas tree light on.
It's like Papa.
Like Papa Pig. You hold the camera, baby. Mama will try to open it. You talk to the camera. You talk to the camera.
Hello.
Like this. Okay, talk.
Hello.
So my name is like that. Tell them your name.
It's Nicole Candy.
Hold it properly there. Is Paris Nicole Mackenzie your name?
Yes.
Talk to them.
It's Papa, Papa, Papa.
There you go.
Papa, Papa.
Papa, papa, papa. What's mommy's name now?
It's Jovey.
Daddy?
It's his name.
What's daddy's name? What's daddy's name?
Mike.
Mike. And your name?
Penny. Candy.
Paris Nicole Mackenzie. Ayan, guys. Nakabalot pala sila
No,
ganyan.
Mommy.
Okay. Alright, let's cook kamote na. Kabi, kamote.
Comini.
Ay, gumini. Ka?
Ka.
Mo?
Q.
Mo?
M.
Ti.
T.
Kamote.
Comedy.
So, here's the crab, guys. Ayan. So, I'm starting it already. Wala pa pala kaming gata. Kailangan ko pang pumunta ng shops para bumili. Anyways, it's still early pa naman, guys. Like, it's only 3 o'clock ng hapon. So, starting that. Super excited for that, guys. So, dinner. Then, we have our kamote as well. Ayan. Just boiling that. And then, ngayon, ikakat ko lang yung ating kalabasa, guys. What happened to your bike?
Show mommy how to ride your bike.
Ride your bike. Come on, ride na. Before the rain kusog-kusog is... It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain already,
Show
Baba.
mommy you're riding the bike.
Show Mommy B. B, show Mama B. Big girl riding the bike.
Yeah, like this.
Umuulan na siya, guys. Oh. Hala, itong mga hinayhay sa luyunak.
Okay,
Sige,
right.
you ride. Mama has to go in the backyard, nak. The clothes. Yeah, I don't. Come. Ride.
Why my hands are like Mommy?
Yeah, gentle, okay? Have to be really slow, sweetheart.
It's very, very slow.
Very slow.
This.
Ooh. Look what you're doing, Baba.
Going.
Call Daddy. Call Daddy.
I'm going to gym.
Is Daddy going to the gym?
Yes.
Come on now, let's go.
It's just,
Ride around.
hey, I don't know that.
Daddy's back. It's so funny. Come on now.
You want back?
Huh?
You want back up there?
You come.
Follow daddy. Eh. Gosh. Sabi ni daddy guys kanina, sabi niya, do you wanna ride your bike? Tapos bumaba siya ng couch. Hinanap niya kagad yung helmet niya. Alam niya. She has to wear helmet. Good girl. Good job, Paris. Good girl riding your bike. Daddy!
Hi, stars. Riding bike.
Yeah, Daddy.
You're so fast.
Yeah, Daddy.
I love you.
Yes, yes. Oh, that's going.
Follow daddy lagi. Ayun na.
Let's go see. Daddy's back.
Daddy's back.
Daddy, go back. Cut.
Hi, mommy.
What is it now?
Too hot today, Mommy.
It's so hot today. Tell daddy.
Hello.
It's so hot today daw, daddy. She
Then
said
daddy's
it's
back.
so hot. It's so hot today.
No, this is good.
Ano pa yung papay-pay-pay?
You wanna sit on daddy's bike?
No, it's too
So guys, it's now 6:30 ng gabi. Nandito tayo sa kitchen. Pumunta pala kami ng shops kanina para bumili ng onion and also coconut milk para sa ating alimasag. Nalulutuin ko tonight. And then, ang ating baby girl, kasi hindi siya nagnap kaninang hapon. So, while nasa sasakyan kami guys, gumaganon-ganon siya. Oh. Ayun. So, pinasok ko siya sa kwarto ay nakatulog siya. I'm not too sure. Maybe gising yan siya later at night. Pero, yeah, I think she's going to sleep until the morning. Kita ko lang sa inyo yung binili ko guys. Ayan, 1 kilo na brown onion. And then, ito yung binili ko na milk, guys. Premium. Kasi may isang coconut milk sa shop, guys, na light. So, hindi yung sobrang magata talaga ba. Very, very light. And then, bought this one. It's a crispy slices. Para siyang snacks na healthy. So, we'll give that to Paris. Bumili kami ng ayan, Korean na mga noodles. Also got me goreng. Ayan. I bought this one. Ayan, oh, parang shells na pasta. I bought a few apples there. And then this biscuit. Ayan. So that's it guys. Ano na pamili natin. And then, before kami umalis kanina, ayan, kinat ko na ang ating kalabasa. And then now, I'm just gonna cook the alimango guys. Kasi sobrang excited na akong makakain. And guys, kakalagay ko lang ng ating ayan, onion and dito, garlic. Tapos, translucent na siya guys. Ilalagay na natin yung ating coconut milk. Ayan. Kita niyo ba guys? Yan. Oh, can't wait. Tapos, yung isa pa. And then, we'll let it boil for 6 minutes. And then, oh, okay. Ayan, binuhos ko na lahat, guys. 2 cans. Okay, so boil lang muna for 6 minutes. And then, lagay natin yung ating crab. So, ayan guys, naluto na natin. And oh my god, ayan na ang aking rice. And, ang ating, oh, diba? Ang ating crab. Oh my god. Super excited guys. Kain muna sa atin yung guys ha, kasi gutom na gutom ako guys. Hinintay ko talaga ito na maluto. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 10 o'clock ng gabi. And ayan, nakaligo na tayo guys. So, fresh na fresh tayo. Ang ating baby girl pala ay nagising. Ayan. Kanina pa to siya nagising guys, mga 8 o'clock ng gabi. Say hi sa tita. Hi tita. Ay sure, suking na siya ngayon guys kasi sleepy na naman. Sleepy ikaw, anak. Kisa sa mga baby. Kisa sa mga baby. Anyways guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito. Kasi ang ating baby girl, oh ayan, oh, nagmanya na sa iyang mama. Are you okay, anak?
Okay.
Okay. Mukhang init siya, guys. Do you feel hot, Baba?
No.
Okay. Alright, no doubt. Anyways, thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. I'm just going to do a quick shout out now, guys. And the first shout out goes to Brenda Osorio. And also, pakigreet daw sa kanyang daughter. Birthday daw sa December 23. So, happy birthday. Shout out to M. Torres, Chari Salazar, and shout out to Alexa and Eileen Suganov in Iloilo. Shout out to Christine Namayan, Nining Estimo from Switzerland. Shout out to Cecile Regalado, Gina Clark. Shout out to manager ng KFC, Floresa Ribucas. Shout out to... Why did you just laugh? Manager sa KFC, my favorite shop. Beke naman. Beke naman pa rin mapadala ng KFC. Shout out to Mercy Mater, Amay Vargas, Hilas Ka, Blessed Eva Anasaliv, Mary Ann de Guzman. Shout out to Irene Kilang, Lee Fam Vlogs, Maricar Castaneda, Calvin Borinaga, Marietta Manzana, and Lucy Lico. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Ayan, oh, manya. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, don't forget to be good, and if you can't, wala siya sa mood, guys. Kato na lang. To be good, and if you can't,
Goodbye.
ay, course na yun.